Hello friends, this video is to introduce Bryovent ventilator on the neonatal application. So when we start up, this will be the home screen what will appear. So if you already have one patient what was running, we can go for last patient. So all the previous setting will be recalled and you can directly start the ventilation. If not, we can have neonatal new patient, neonatal patient selection. Now invasive, non-invasive and HFNC, all the three things are possible. Let us say invasive, then these are all the modes available for invasive. This is pressure type ACMB, pressure type SIMB, PRVC, CPAP, MMV, APRV and biphasic. Even in terms of non-invasive ventilation, we can have pressure type ventilation, PRVC type ventilation, NCPAP, APRV and NIPPV or biphasic. So that is available for non-invasive. Plus we can have the selection of neonatal HFNC or O2 therapy. So here also the flow starts from 2 liters. Let us say we consider the case of invasive ventilation. Then once we choose invasive, the modes will pop up and then we can have selection of particular mode. Let us say PCAC. Particular settings can be chosen from this screen, from the bottom panel. Let us say you want to increase or decrease these settings. You can either go for increment or decrement for the single parameters or touch and drag. Once the settings are done, we can go for the start ventilation. So this is the home page, this is the first page. Here what we get is 3 waveforms and 15 numerical parameters. Those are the patient experimental parameters. Which 15? Those are also user selectable. So you can choose one particular field if you want to choose this parameter according to your choice. Let us say here on the bottom side, this is eye ratio. Now I want to replace this. I'll just hold this field for 5 seconds. These are all the parameters available. Let us say I choose RR total to be displayed here and accept. So now RR total is here. Likewise, we can freeze the screen, we can put the cursor on and we can have the measurements on the display. We can even take the snapshot. This is the second page where we get 3 loops plus 15 numerical parameters plus resistance and compliance data. This is the third screen where we can have 3 waveforms plus 3 loops plus the basic parameters. And fourth page compiles all the values, those are all patient parameters. This has got 32 kind of patient parameters plus the oxygen inlet what we are giving from the central line. Here also the parameters are divided in the groups. So the first column that belongs to pressure, this is for the volumes. Third one is for the time based parameters, those are RR, TI, TE, eye ratio. Fourth one is for minute ventilation. This is for the flow plus the lung parameters. So like expiratory time constant, inspiratory time constant, rapid shallow breathing index, static compliance, resistance. Plus we can have few of the function screens and that parameters can be measured at this place. This page, from this any of this page, we can just go for the home page and this will be the display of the home page. This page belongs to alarm settings. So here we can have setting of all different alarm settings plus we can have the auto set. This is for the functionalities like nebulization on or off, inspiratory hold, expiratory hold, PO.1 intrinsic PEEP measurement or lung recruitment. These are for the trends and logs. And suppose if during the ventilation if you want to change any of the mode, then we can go for change mode and we can select any of the new mode which we want to have now. We can put the settings on whatever are required. Once the settings are done, we can accept. So you can monitor on the right hand side top corner. So this is the PCAC mode running. Now new mode is selected as PRVC, and once I accept, now the new mode has been reflected here. This has got the capability right from 2 ml onwards.